Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace license plate light bulbs Dodge Journey, full guide. Start by opening the rear hatch and locating the light housing above the plate. Remove any trim or screws holding the housing with your screwdriver and set them aside. Gently pry the housing away from the panel, exposing the bulb socket. Twist the socket counterclockwise, pull the old bulb straight out, and prepare the replacement while you keep parts organized. Place the removed screws and trim in a small tray so nothing gets lost. Twist the bulb socket counterclockwise and pull it down gently to access the bulb. Use gloves to protect the new bulb and avoid oil transfer from your fingers. Carefully remove the old bulb by pulling it straight out, avoiding rocking motions that can damage the socket. Check the socket for corrosion or damage and clean it if needed before proceeding to the new bulb. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to keep helpful videos coming. Quick recommendation: automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice as a little treat for your ride. It pairs nicely with simple maintenance. I've posted the product link and other deals in the description so you can check them out. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Hold the replacement bulb by its base or wear gloves to keep oils off the glass. Insert the bulb into the socket with a straight push until it seats fully, then align the socket tabs and twist clockwise to lock it into the housing. Before snapping trim back in place, turn on the vehicle lights to confirm the bulb works. If it fails, recheck contacts and try reseating the socket or swapping the bulb. Reassemble trim and screws securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.